Korea is the name of an ancient dynasty AD 918-1392. In Korea, the English word Korea, dynasty Koryo, legacy to the Korean people is very significant. Koryo men invented mental type for the first time in the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 2 centuries before, Johannes Gutenberg, 1398-1468, and also created the famous Koryo ceramic. Moreover, they show great gratitude by persistently defeating the aggression of Mongolian men who were sweeping the known world at the time. Today, Koryo, look straight in Kibong-sugi, raise both hands in a pushing stand, turn left, in a low back stand, twist Kubi-sugi, execute double hand blade center block, Song Nam Mong Thong Yok Maki, execute right leg double block double kick, execute right leg double kick lower and higher. Luwon Yok Chigi, execute single hand blade Song Nam Maki, Chigi in a long front stand, up Kubi-sugi, execute left hand punch Mong Thong Chigi. Leave the leg as it is into long back stand with Kubi-sugi and execute with the block Mong Thong Maki. Left the left leg as it is, turn around. Execute double hand blade, center block, Sung Nam Mong Thong Yok Maki. Execute left leg double side kick, Lubong Yok Chagi. Execute single blade strike, Song Nam Bakat Chingi, in a long front stand up Kubi-sugi. Execute center punch, Mong Thong Chingi. Leave the right leg as it is, the left leg into back stand, kick Kubi-sugi. Execute middle block Mong Thong Maki. Leave the right leg as it is, move the left leg forward. Execute low front stance. Execute left hand blade lower block, Sung Nam Aramaki. Execute right hand strike to the neck, Ovison Kalbagi. Execute front kick up Chagi. Step forward in the long front stance. Execute right hand blade lower block, Sung Nam Aramaki. Execute left hand palm strike to the neck, Hang Song Kalyabi. Execute front kick up Chagi. Step long front stand up Kubi-sugi. Execute blade lower block, Sung Nam Aramaki. Execute hand strike to the neck, Han Song Kalbagi and yell, Kia! Execute front kick up Chagi. Step forward in long stand up Kubi-sugi. Execute lower knee strike, Muryo Pukki. Turn around to the back into front from stand up Kubi-sugi. Execute front kick up Chagi. Execute lower knee strike, Murok Pukki. Execute two hand middle block, Mong Thong Hicho Maki. Pivot, turn the right foot to the right side and stand in the riding stand. Execute single hand blade, middle block, hang sunod, mokthong, yok chagi. Execute middle punch, chubok, bujok, chigi. Cross the right leg, cross the right leg, bring both hands together, execute, cross left hand, up goes Sugi, execute, left leg side kick, Yok Chagi, after kick, change the direction. Execute, cross hand, crossing, one is lower, come Sukut, Are, Picho, Chirigi, pull the leg back into up to Sugi, execute, low, block, Aramaki. Step forward in a short stand, Apsugi, block, downward block, Patasong, Maki, Mongkong, Nolio, Maki. Step forward in the right stand, Kuchung Sugi, execute elbow strike. Palguk Chagi, say as it is right stand. Kuchung Sugi, execute hand high block. Sunang Mongkong Pakat Maki, execute middle punch. Tumbok Chirigi, execute right leg side kick Yok Chagi. After kick, change direction to the back in a long front stand. Up Kubi Sugi. Execute cross hand thrusting, one is lower. Pyongsyuk Are Chicho Chirigi, pull the leg back into short front stance, up Sugi, execute low block Aramaki. Keep both the feet together in a Mosugi stance with both the hands. Come closer and left hand punch is hold the block. Turn back into long stance. Low block. Turn back. Execute upper hand knife strike. Hansunal Pakat Chigi, followed by hand knife lower block, Hansunal Aramaki. Step forward, strike, upper hand knife, strike, Hansunal Pakat Maki, Pakat Chigi, followed by hand lower block, Hansunal Aramaki. Forward grip, up to V stance, execute, hand Hansun. Carry turn to the Chupi. Kia! Warrior, Chupi! Kia! Yeah!